Welcome to another episode of Dream Home Design Luxury Interiors. Today, we're exploring an incredible tiny house that blends modern elegance with smart functionality. Whether you dream of living off-grid, seeking a cozy retreat, or downsizing without sacrificing comfort, this home has it all. Let's dive in. This stunning tiny house boasts a sleek and contemporary exterior, featuring a combination of natural wood, durable metal siding, and expansive windows. Designed for both mobility and sustainability, its compact footprint allows it to blend seamlessly into any landscape. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. High ceilings and large windows flood the space with natural light, creating an open and airy feel. The neutral color palette, accented with warm wood tones and modern finishes, enhances the overall aesthetic. The living area is a perfect blend of style and practicality. A comfortable sofa doubles as a guest bed, while built-in storage compartments ensure every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Whether you're relaxing with a book, entertaining guests, or watching your favorite shows, this space is designed for comfort. The heart of this tiny home is its fully equipped kitchen. You'll find high-end stainless steel appliances, including a two-burner stove, a compact oven, and a full-size refrigerator. Ample counter space and clever cabinetry make cooking a breeze, proving that small living doesn't mean compromising on convenience. Adjacent to the kitchen is a versatile dining space. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a cozy brunch with friends, this area adapts to your needs. Many tiny homes incorporate foldable or extendable tables, allowing for maximum functionality. Now, let's take a look at the bathroom, a true sanctuary within this tiny home. It features a stylish vanity, a full walk-in shower, and eco-friendly toilet options. With ample storage and modern fixtures, this bathroom rivals those of much larger homes. The sleeping loft is nothing short of a dream. A queen-size bed fits perfectly within the cozy yet spacious layout. Strategically placed skylights allow for stargazing at night, while built-in storage keeps the area clutter-free. Some models even offer a main floor bedroom for those who prefer to avoid ladders. This tiny home isn't just stylish, it's also built for sustainability. Equipped with solar panels, a rainwater collection system, and energy-efficient insulation, this house allows for off-grid living without sacrificing modern comforts. Perfect for eco-conscious homeowners. To complete the experience, the outdoor area offers a private deck with a seating arrangement, a fire pit for chilly evenings, and even space for a small garden. Imagine waking up to nature every morning while sipping your coffee in this serene setting. From its elegant design to its smart functionality, this tiny house proves that small living can be both luxurious and practical. Whether you're considering downsizing, traveling full-time, or embracing off-grid living, this home is a perfect inspiration. If you loved this tiny home tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Home Design Luxury Interiors. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and most innovative tiny homes. Until next time, happy tiny living!